Good morning, everyone. Good morning. In today's class of marketing, I will discuss yesterday's continuing topic, functions of packaging. I had discussed there were 5 points. So till yesterday, I had discussed 3 points. So 4 and 5 points were remaining. I will discuss point 4 and point 5. Point 4 is packaging for convenience. Point 5 cost effectiveness. So here it is written packaging for convenience. Convenience means ease, aram, asani. So packaging is usually done for consumer convenience. It provides convenience to distribution channel also. Okay. We must know what are distribution channel members. These are intermediary or middlemen who are the persons who supply finished goods from manufacturer to customer or consumer. These are wholesaler, retailer, agents, broker, distributor, and consumer finally. Because finally goods are transferred from manufacturer till consumer. The convenience will relate to handling and stocking of packages. It helps in the following ways. The package must be convenient to stock. The package must be convenient to display. The package must not waste shelf space. The package can be easily carried. It should be easy to dispose of. It means package or packaging must be convenient for storage. Packaging must be convenient to display. Packaging must not waste shelf space. मीन्स जहाँ पे रखे जाते हैं उसका स्पेस वेस्ट ना हो. The package can be easily carried. पैकेज को easily carry करना आना चाहिए, so that they can be carried, the customer can be able to carry it from anywhere to anywhere. So package can be easily carried. It should be easy to dispose of. Dispose of means to finish. कि जो पैकेज है we know कि after use package is not useful. We just use the product and we throw the package. So package must be easy to dispose of. उसको dispose करना, throw करना, it should be easy. mean it should not be plastic. That disposal should be easy. means वो ख़त्म करना, उसको off करना, it should be easy. Fifth and last, cost effectiveness. Cost means producing amount. Effectiveness means cost must be as low as possible. As we know, product is costly itself, and if we add more and more cost in packaging also, it will become very costly, and price will also be very much. So in competition we may not be able to survive in the competition and survive in the market if our prices are very high because of high cost. So cost must be as low as possible. So cost effectiveness means the package finally must be cost effectiveness. Packaging costs as a percentage of product cost differ from one industry to another. As we know, packaging is also a percentage of cost of the whole product. It is essential, means important, to understand that while analyzing packaging cost, the other costs like handling cost, storage cost, insurance, and transit means traveling cost. As I told, product travels from manufacturer to customer or consumer. So traveling cost will also be there in packaging, handling, storage, insurance cost also. All costs are also added. So cost effectiveness means cost must be low as possible. जितना हो सके उतनी cost को low करना है. Because if costs are low, price will be low and we can survive easily in market and competition. As competitor is selling on less price, then definitely customer will go to competitor, not to us. So cost should be tied to less or effective. Similarly, price will be less, so we can easily survive in market because customer will definitely come to us. Next topic, qualities of good packaging. It is the next topic of packaging. What are the qualities? It's very easy. What are the qualities we see in a good package? Attractive appearance means दिखने में अच्छा होना चाहिए, so that customer get attract towards the product and package. Packaging attract करने जैसा होना चाहिए. Attractive appearance, देखने में अच्छा लगे. Convenient for storage and display. Packaging ऐसी होनी चाहिए उसका easy रहे store करना. Display means easily we can represent in our shelf, in our glass showroom. Third, packaging is like a shield. Shield means a cover or protection against damage or pilferage. As I already have told, packaging protects the product from damage or pilferage. Similarly, packaging is a shield or cover against damage or pilferage. Product description displayed on the package. Package should be as per the specification, means these are the quality. Means description should be there, specified, it should be a specified package, it should be a unique package, specific package. So these are the qualities of package, good packaging. Just one topic is remaining in packaging, that is type packaging. I will discuss it tomorrow, and only labeling is also there in session 4. I will discuss in later videos. Thank you for today. Thank you for listening.